Today we are going to study about what is the relationship between cubic polynomial, zeros of cubic polynomial and of their coefficients. Already we learned the relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. Today we are going to learn about relationship between zeros and coefficients of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, what is the form? P of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. For cubic polynomial, we have already learned there will be at most 3 zeros are there. If let alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros of p of x, now the relationship how it is. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b upon a. What is b? Coefficient of minus of coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Next one is sum of product of zeros, two taken at a time. Means two zeros products, then their sum. Means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. This is sum of products of zeros, two taken at a time. That is C upon A. What is the formula? C upon A. What is C? Coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. Next is product of zeros. Product of zeros, that is alpha, beta, gamma minus b upon a. That is what? Minus of constant a upon coefficient of x cube. So from this one you can understand minus, easy way to remember this one, sum of zeros minus b by a, then sum of products of zeros, two taken at a time, c by a, then product of zeros minus d by a. First minus b by a, negative, then positive, then negative, b by a, c by a, d by a, sign minus plus minus. In this way you can remember. This is the relationship between zeros and coefficients of cubic polynomial. Now this one, how can we verify the relationship? So these formulas you have to learn. From your textbook, example 5 it is. Example 5. Verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Then verify the relationship between. So example 5, fifth page number 32, that question. Verify. So given that p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. We have to verify 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are zeros. We have to prove. How can we prove they are the zeros? Instead of x, on substituting these values, if you are getting p of that value 0, then that will be the zeros. So for verification here, first 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So first write phi of x. P of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. First we have to verify 3 as the 0. So P of 3. 3. Instead of x you write 3. 3 cube minus 5. Instead of x, x square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. 3 cube, 3 raised to 4. This one 3 into 3, 3 raised to 4, 81 minus 3 square is 9. 9 5s are 45. 11 3s are 33 minus 3. So 81 minus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 5 plus 3, 8. 81 minus 81, 0. So we proved 3 is a 0 of P of x. One verification we done. Now, so this is the first one, P of 3 equal to 0. Now second, P of minus 1 you will write. So 3 into, instead of x write minus 1. Minus 1 cube. Minus 5 into minus 1 square. Minus 11 into minus 1. Minus 3. So 3 minus 1 cube is minus 3. Minus 5. Minus 1 square is positive 1. Minus or minus plus 11. 1s are 11. Minus 3. So minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. Negative number side minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. So minus 11 and plus 11. 11 minus 11 is 0. This is second one. P of minus 1 we got 0. Next P of x value is minus 1 by 3. So P of minus 1 by 3. Now in place of x write minus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 1 cube is minus 1 upon 3 cube is 27 minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 square is positive 1. 3 square is 9. Minus or minus plus 11 1s are 11. 11 upon 3 minus 3. Here 3. 9 3s are 27. So minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 upon 3 minus 3. Different denominators you have to do LCM. So 9 minus 1 minus 5. Here 3 only. 3 3s are 9. 9 1s are 9 1s are 3s are here by 9. So 3 11s are 33. 3 9s are 27. Now minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 27 minus 6 minus 33. Then plus 33 upon 9. 33 minus 33 0. 0 by 9 is 0. So this is third one. So from 1, first P of 3 we proved it is 0. P of minus 1 we proved 0. P of minus 1 by 3 also we proved 0. So from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we verified. Three minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of P of x. So understood now how it is proved? By simple substitution only. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of P of x. For that one, for verification, P of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Now comparing with P of x equal to general form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get a equal to 3. What is b value? Minus 5. C equal to that is the coefficient of x, minus 11, and d is the constant, that is minus 3. So from now for verification we have to do sum of zeros, sum of product of two zeros taken at a time, and product of zeros. That formula is what we first written. In that formula we have to get. So for that one, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of zeros you write, I am written only, notation only written. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? This is, and taking alpha 3, that zeros alpha beta gamma, minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha's value 3, plus minus 1, plus minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 plus or minus 1, 1 by 3, equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 by 3. What is the formula? Minus b by a. B is minus 5. So this 5 by 3 you can write minus of minus 5 upon 3. That is minus b by a. So first one we verified it. We got the relationship between sum of zeros and that is minus of coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x square. Next one is what? Sum of product of zeros taken two at a time. Means product of two zeros you have to take and then their sum. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That which formula you want to get? C by A. Now substitute the values. Alpha is 3. So 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 beta gamma plus minus 1 by 3 into 3. Alpha's value is 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus or minus plus. 1 ones are 1 upon 3. Plus or minus minus. 3 cancel. So you got minus 1. Now minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Negative numbers added. Plus 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 is LCM. 3 into minus 4 minus 12 plus 1. That is minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3. That is C by A you have to get. C's value is minus 11. A's value is 3. That only we got. So that is C by A. So that also we verified. Next one is product of zeros. Product of zeros alpha, beta, gamma. What do you have to get? Minus d by a. So first multiply alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha's value 3. 3 multiplied by beta's value minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 3 cancel. So you got 1. We have to get what value? Minus d by a. D, look, what is value? Minus 3. A's value is 3. So 1 you can write it like this. 1 you can write minus of minus 3 upon 3. Which value you want to get? That only. First write minus, then minus 3 upon 3. Minus 3 cancelling 1, minus or minus 1, that is only positive 1. So 1 you have to write from this question only which form you needed, like that you write. So that is equal to minus d by a. So we verified what is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of. So followed properly. Just to substitute. While multiplication you have to take care of the signs. And if same signs numbers you have to add, then different signs come in subtraction. If denominators come in, you have to do LCM. We can verify. So follow it properly. This one first to thoroughly understand. Then you would copy the question. I have not written the question here. A few where values are given, that only I have written here. You have to copy the question from the textbook. It is example 5. Now, division algorithm for polynomials. This you have already done. How in 9th standard, how you have limit. Earlier classes load limit. Then also I am showing that examples given in textbook. Example 6 is of a quadratic polynomial only, so that is simple one. Example 7 I am doing. That is easy, you can do by yourself. Divide, example 7. Divide. So, polynomial given is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Divide it. Two polynomials given. First one, which number we are dividing? That is dividend. This is dividend and this is divisor. As numbers, integers how we are dividing? Same way only. How it looks. So first write what are given names of let dividend. Dividend. P of x. Give name as P of x. That is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Then divisor. Divisor. G of x. G of x. That is 1 plus 2x plus x square. In the ascending order of coefficient powers of x is given. In this way over here it is descending powers of x. So write this in the standard form. So x square plus 2x plus 1. We want to get a quotient q of x and the remainder r of x. We have to get. So as usual how we are dividing? Like that. Right? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1. You have already learned how to get the terms of the quotients. First what you have to do? First step is divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of divisor. Then what value we are getting? That is the first term of the quotient. I am also showing here how it is getting. First term. First term of quotient. I am simply written FT means first term of, that is of quotient it is. First term how? What is the highest degree term of dividend? 3x cube. So right here 3x cube upon, what is the highest degree term of divisor? X square. So that is we getting 3x. 3 minus 2, 1. So 3x. So first term is 3x. Right here 3x. Now what you have to do? By this 3x multiply each term. Then write below the same terms. Means like terms below you have to write it. 3x into x square, 3x cube. Plus 3 2s are 6, 6x square, next term. Plus 3x 1s are 3x. Now we have to subtract. So you have to give the opposite sign. Is these all terms are positive? So write negative sign on. Minus, minus and minus. All terms. Minus sign. Now subtract. 3x cube minus 3x cube, 0x cube. No terms are there. Now plus x square minus x, 6x square. Different side plus. Now you have no need of looking this side. This only minus you have to look. Minus, then different sign subtraction. 6x square minus x square, 5x square. Then you have to give the bigger number side. So bigger number is 5 only, its sign is minus. So minus 5x square. So plus and minus, you have to do subtraction from bigger number to smaller. 6x square minus x square, 5x square you got, and then you would put that bigger number, what is the sign? That one. So minus 5x square. Now next, plus 2x minus 3x, the sign is minus. So different sign, subtraction. 3x minus 2x, 1x. Bigger number this one is plus, so plus x. Now one term is remaining, that right here. Fine. Now how can we get the second term? As usual, how we done the first one? Same way. Now the new dividend is this one, minus 5x square plus x plus 5. Its highest degree term is which one? Minus 5x square. So write it second term. In order to get to the second term of the quotient, second term. Minus first highest degree minus 5x square upon. What is the highest degree term of the divisor? X square. So x square cancel, minus 5. We got. Right here it is. Minus 5. Now multiply each one. Minus 5 into x square, minus 5x square. Minus 5 into plus, minus into plus, minus. 5 2s are 10. So 10x. So minus 10x. Minus into plus, minus. 5 1s are 5. So minus 5. So first different sign coming. First you multiply the signs, write the signs, then the numbers you have to multiply. Now we have to write the opposite signs. Minus 5, write there, plus. Minus, plus. Minus, plus. Now minus 5 plus sign, different sign, subtraction. Subtraction doing, then became 0. Here plus, here also plus, same sign, addition. 10x, x, 1x plus 10x, 11x. So positive sign only, so write 11x. Now here also plus, here also plus. 5 plus 5, 10. Sign same only, so that. So in this way we are dividing. So from this one you got now quotient. Quotient. That is we are writing as q of x. 3x minus 5. Now remainder. The last is remaining the one term. That is r of x, remainder. That is 11x plus 10. So just divide and say in this module, right? So follow on what? First, which one you are dividing? That is dividend, that is p of x. By which one you are dividing, going to divide? That is divisor, g of x. Then you have to divide. How I explain in that way. Then you will get the quotient and the remainder. That same page only, example 8. Divide 3x square. So here given p of x is 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by, divide that one by, so g of x, the divisor is x minus 1 minus x square. Here, after dividing, verify the division algorithm. What is division algorithm? We know dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Means the product of divisor and quotient, to that one on adding the remainder we will get the dividend. That is verification of division algorithm. So first now how we done division, the same way you have to divide, find out quotient and remainder. Then we have to verify what divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is equal to dividend, that you have to prove. So verification, if it is same, then only you have to verify. Otherwise, how we have done now, The same way you have to do, means find out the quotient and the remainder only. But if it is written, verify the division algorithm, you have to write. This is how I will show now. In the same way you have to write. So the question is, look here, p of x equal to 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. Here, look, this polynomial, it is not in the standard form. First x square, then x cube, then x. So first, you have to write that in the standard form. Here in divisor also, same way only. So, dividend p of x equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Then divisor g of x equal to minus x square plus x minus 1. First x square term, then x, then minus x square plus x minus 1. Now we have to divide. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Here minus x square plus x minus 1. How we can get first term? By dividing the highest degree term of the dividend. That is all, which one? Minus x cube. By the highest degree term of the divisor. That is what here? Minus x square. Here minus minus sign cancel. X cube upon x square is x. So the first term of the quotient is x. So write here x. X into minus x square minus x cube plus x1, x into x, x square minus x1s are x. Opposite side. Plus minus plus sign. Now minus x cube plus x cube cancel 0. 3x plus here minus. So different sign subtraction. 3x square minus x square, 2x square. Bigger number sign. So plus 2x square. Plus 2x square. If it is first term, simply write only 2x square. Now here minus, here plus. Different sign subtraction. 3x minus x, 2x. Bigger number is minus. So minus 2x. Now here plus 5. That write below. Now to get the second term of the quotient, what you have to do? The highest degree term of the dividend. No dividend is 2x square. 2x square minus 2x plus 5. Its highest degree term is 2x square. That divided by highest degree, that is minus x square. So write here minus. Here positive, here negative. So minus sign. X square cancel. 2 remaining. So 2. So minus 2. Now here minus sign coming. First sign is multiply. Minus into minus plus. 2 into x square, 2x square. So 2x square. Minus into plus, minus. 2 into x, 2x. Then minus into minus, plus. 2 ones are 2. Opposite side. Minus, plus, and plus. 2x square minus 2x square, cancel. Minus 2x plus 2x, different sign subtraction, 0. This can also cancel. 5 plus and minus subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3. Bigger number is 5, its sign is 3. So now we got quotient and remainder. So quotient. Q of x equal to x minus 2. Then remainder. R of x equal to 3. Now for here we have to verify division algorithm. So what do you want to get? Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Its value you have to find out. If it is getting equal to dividend, then verification go. So divisor is what? Divisor g of x minus x square plus x minus 1 multiplied by quotient is x minus 2. X minus 2. And the remainder is 3. So plus 3. Now multiply. Minus x square into x minus x cube. Minus x square into minus 2 plus 2x square. So with the first term we multiplied. Now with the second, x into x, x square. Plus x into minus 2, minus 2x. Now with the minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus x. Minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. So multiplication finished. Now remaining 3 here, plus 3 right here. Now that is equal to minus x cube. Now like terms simplify. 2x square plus x square, 3x square. Minus 2x minus x, same sign addition. So minus 3x. 2 plus 3, 5. Now look, our dividend minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. The same one. That is equal to dividend. So this is verification of division algorithm in this way. So division as usual only. And last step verification, if it is third, divisor into quotient plus remainder you have to find out. Here these two multiplication. So first multiply it, then plus 3 you have to add, then you will get it. If you done properly, you will get the value dividend is. This is division of algorithm polynomials and their verification. Now example 9. Example 9. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Question you have to copy from the textbook. I am writing letter that given polynomial I am taking as p of x. P of x equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. And given zeros of p of x given, two zeros given as root 2 and minus root 2. We have to find out all the zeros. All the zeros means this is a look for degree 4 times. So there will be 4 zeros. At most 4 zeros. Here it will be 4 zeros will be there. In this step questions giving, we know that we already learned in 9th standard. If alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of p of x. The same rule you have to use here. Here given root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of p of x. So x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, it's opposite sign you have to use with the x, are the factors. Then from that one we can find out. I will show how to find out. This step questions is very important. So first write p of x. P of x equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of p of x. I am showing in the steps how you could write. Therefore x minus root 2 and x minus root 2 then x plus root 2 are the factors of p of x. Are the factors of p of x. Here two factors are there. So their product also will be a factor. X minus root 2 and x plus 2 on multiplication. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. X square minus root 2 square. X square root 2 square is 2. Therefore x square minus 2 is a factor of p of x. So understood? Two factors linear polynomial multiplication. A minus b into a plus b product you have to do. That also will be a factor. So a minus b into a plus b, x square minus root 2 square. So x square, root 2 square is 2. So x squared minus 2 is a factor of p of x. If any difficulty coming, you have to multiply and look. Then you have to write it. So x square minus. Now, in order to find out the other series, what do you have to do? Take the p of x, this one, dividend, and x squared minus 2 as divisor. Divide and find out the quotient. Here this is factor, so always the remainder we will get as 0 only. So after getting the quotient, you have to factorize it. Then we will get the answer. So now divide. Divide 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by x squared minus 2. Now you learned how to divide. So write 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. X square minus 2. X square minus 2. Here look only two times. X square, x term is not there. So first, as usual, first find first term of a quotient. I will find out the highest degree term of the dividend. Here it is 2x raised to 4. So 2x raised to 4 divided by highest degree term is here x square divided by x square. So we will get it 2x square. Right here it is 2x square. Now multiply 2x square into x square, 2x raised to 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4x square. So that you have to write below x square term only, not with the x cube. Here one term is missing. So 2x square into minus 2 minus 4x square here. You have to write, not below x cube. Like terms you have to write. Column wise same terms only you have to write. So 2x square into x square, 2x raised to 4 minus 2 to the 4x, 2x square into 2 minus 4x square below. Then opposite sign, minus here plus. 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 cancel, subtraction. Now here first highest degree term only, x cube below no cancel, so you write that one as below that one same one only, same term only you have to write. So minus 3x cube you have to write first. Now x square like terms this one. Here minus, here plus, opposite sign subtraction. From bigger number subtract. So 4x square minus 3x square, 1x square, bigger number sign. Its sign is plus. So plus x square we will get. Now plus 6x right below. Now here in order to get to the second term of the quotient, what do you have to do? First the highest degree term of the dividend, that is minus 3x cube upon highest degree term here it is x square. So you will get a minus 3x. Minus 3, 3 minus 2 division. While division we are subtracting the indexes. 3 minus 2, 1. So x raised to 1 means x. So second term is minus 3x right here. Minus 3x. Now minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube. Minus or minus plus. 3x into 2 plus 6x. Below right there one's below 6x. X below. Now opposite signs, plus minus. 3x cube plus 3x cube cancel. Here plus x square remaining right here. 6x minus 6x cancel. Now here minus 2 is remaining, that right below. So minus 2. Now x square divided by, we need to get to the third term. Second term, third term. X square divided by x square. How much it is? 1. So plus 1. So x square 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus plus 0. Now look, remainder became 0. So now you have to write what division algorithm form. Means while we did verification we done on division algorithm, that means dividend equal to divisor in that form you write. So p of x equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. That is equal to what? Dividend equal to quotient, divisor into quotient. What is divisor? That is x square minus 2. So divisor is x square minus 2. And quotient is what? 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Plus remainder is 0 only. So actually we factorized this one. Yes. So in order to factorize only, we divided this dividend as by the divisor. So x square minus 2. Now to get the zeros, as usual, p of x equal to 0. That you directly you can write. Otherwise, first factorize this one, then find out that is equal to 0. So first I am factorizing it. X squared minus 2, that we already, it is the product of what? X plus x minus root 2 and x plus 2. So x squared minus 2 factors directly write the rule. X minus root 2 and x plus root 2. That on multiplication only you got it. So while writing its factors, the same one. Towards there you write. Now this is the new quotient you got. It's a factorization, that is a quadratic polynomial. It is not a perfect square, so middle term splitting. On multiplying, look, last term is positive, so both terms will, the splitting terms will have same sign. Here middle sign is minus, so the both will have minus sign. On multiplying 2, on adding 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Minus 2 and minus. That is x minus root 2, x plus root 2, 2x common, x minus 1. Minus 1 common, x minus 1. So x minus root 2, x plus root 2, x minus 1, 2x minus 1. You factorize now fully. These steps you can avoid. 2x square minus 3x. Here inside you can factorize. Then you have to substitute the values here. Otherwise, like this only, in each and every steps like this only, right? Then here factorization you have to do. Now, to find zeros, what do you do? Let p of x equal to 0. That is x minus root 2, x plus root 2, x minus 1, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So each one product we have taken. And we know that the product is 0 means any term can be 0. Therefore, x minus root 2 equal to 0, or x plus root 2 equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So from this, x equal to minus root 2, x equal to minus root 2, x equal to minus 1 taken positive 1, and here 2x equal to 1, so x equal to half. Directly I am written. 2x equal to 1, then x equal to 1 by 2. I am directly written here. So these are the zeros. These two zeros already given. Root 2 minus root 2 are zeros given here. Remaining zeros. Here find all the zeros written. Therefore, all the zeros of p of x are root 2 minus root 2, 1 and half. Instead, if the question is find, like the same question only, find the remaining zeros, means already 2 zeros are given, find the remaining zeros writing. After getting this answer, you have to leave these 2 zeros. What is remaining? 1 and half. Then you write the remaining zeros of p of x are 1 and half. So as how the question asking, with that one you write it. If all the zeros, 4 zeros you write. If the remaining zeros only written, first you have to find out this one answer up to this much you write it. But instead of all the zeros you write it, the remaining zeros. So understood how done? First, what are the zeros given? Then if alpha and beta are the zeros, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors. Means what are the zeros given? Its opposite sign you have to take with the x, that will be factors. Here two linear polynomial elements, so its the product also will be a factor. So I multiply it, then we'll get x square minus 2 here got. Then what, in order to, now actually we have to factorize this one. In order to factorize, we are doing division method. So first we divided it, we got the quotient. Here if any mistake coming, then you can follow how remainder. If it's not getting zeros, then you may be made any mistakes inside. So if you have done correctly, here the remainder is 0. Why? This x squared minus 2 is a factor. So now we got quotient. Then division algorithms, that verification how we done. So if it means dividend equal to quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here remainder is 0, so I am not written there. So that in the factor form. Then this one x square minus 2, it is x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 only. So write it. Now this one in factorization, it is not a perfect square, so by it is splitting down, that you know what. Then you will go to this one. To find zeros, we have to make a p of x 0, then you will get the so. Now one more, it is not given in, I am giving, in order to understand this one thoroughly, I am giving one more examples, same type only. P of x. Write as example time now. Example is not given, I am giving from outside that question to follow it properly. So this is question I am writing here. If root 3 and minus root 3 are the zeros of p of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x square minus 12x plus 50. Find the remaining zeros. If root 3 and minus root 3 are the zeros of p of x, then find the remaining zeros. So now how we written the same way. First write what p of x. P of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x square minus 12x plus 50. Then what do you write? Root 3 and minus root 3 are the zeros. From that what you will write? Factors. So therefore x root 3, then x minus root 3, and minus root 3, then x plus root 3 are the factors of p of x. If the x minus root 3 and x plus root 3 are factors, their product also a factor. So a minus b there, so here x square minus 3. So x square minus root 3 square is 3. So therefore x square minus 3 is a factor of p of x. Now what do you do? Divide x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x square minus 12x plus 15 by, here the divisor is what? X square minus 3. X square minus 3. So x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x square minus 12x plus 15 divided by x square minus 3. Now first term of the quotient. How to Highest degree term is x raised to 4 we have. So x raised to 4 upon x square. That is equal to x square. So first term here x square. X square into x square, x raised to 4. X square into minus 3x square. So you have to write it below minus 8x square. So minus 3x square. Now what you have to do? Opposite side. Subtraction we are doing. So minus here plus. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 cancel. Now 4x cube first. Write it below. X cube term not the. Now here minus, here plus. Different sign, subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. Bigger number sign. So minus 5x square. Now next term you have to get here below. Minus 12x. Okay. Now in order to get the second term what you have to do? Highest degree term of this one, 4x cube. That you have to divide by highest degree term of the divisor, x square. So we got 4x. Write it here. 4x means plus 4x. So write it 4x. 4x into x square, 4x cube. Plus into minus minus. 4 3s are 12. 12x. So write it below x. Minus 12. Minus plus. Cancel. Minus 5x square. This one also cancel. Minus 12x plus 12x 0. Here remaining one term is 15. So plus 15. Now to get the third term. Highest degree term is here 5 minus 5x square. That is the first one. Divided by x square. So we will get a minus 5. So write here minus 5. So multiply minus 5x square. Minus or minus plus 5 3s are 50. Plus minus 0. Remainder became 0. Now we have to write it in the standard form. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient. So dividend p of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 8x square minus 12x plus 50. Now on division we got that divisor is what? X square minus 3. So x square minus 3 into quotient is which one? X square plus 4x minus 5. X square plus 4x minus 5. Now, so we are dividing this quotient and that factor not to get that factorization. Easily you can factorize it. Now, in first sum how we done? Same way. X square minus 3 already factorized one only. X plus root 3 and x minus root 3. This one quadratic polynomial. On multiplication you have to get minus 5, on adding plus 4. Last term's sign is negative. So the splitting term's sign will be opposite signs will have. And bigger number will get the middle term sign, that is plus 4. We know multiply 5, only 5 stable. 5 ones are 5 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So the splitting terms are 5 and minus 1. So write now x plus root 3, x minus root 3. Factors of x square minus 3. Now x square plus 5x minus 1x minus 5. Factorization. So x plus root 3, x minus root 3, x common, x plus 5. What is common in this one? Minus 1. X plus 5. So x plus root 3, x minus root 3, x plus 5 and x minus 5. Now, so factorization finished. Now we have to find out zeros. To find zeros of p of x, let p of x equal to 0. Therefore, x plus root 3, p of x, now you go factorize it, that leaves you right. X plus root 3, x minus root 3, x plus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So, x plus root 3 equal to 0 or x minus root 3 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus root 3, here x equal to root 3, here x equal to minus 5, here x equal to 1. So these are the zeros. Therefore, zeros of p of x are minus root 3, minus 5 and 1. But here the question is find the remaining zeros. So already minus root 3 and root 3 they are given as zeros. What is remaining? Minus 5 and 1. So that you have to write. Therefore, remaining zeros of p of x are minus 5 and 1. So follow, I think this is followed properly. So first zeros, whatever zeros give me, its opposite sign you have to write with x, then we'll get factors, then product, then p of x you have to divide by that factor. You will get a quotient, that will be the divisor and quotient will be the factors. These both now the factors of p of x, that right. Then this already factorized one only. Here how we are factorizing, same way you factorize. Then to find zeros, p of x equal to 0. So first watch the video properly, first understand it well, then you have to copy the questions, then you have to solve the sum by yourself. If any doubts is coming, you have to ask me by WhatsApp me questions. The remaining sums we will do in the next